bakakoma Kasese ni mitwalo 12 no bukawamo. So ekikakukangana yaga ukabe wameanduka breaking up now the constituencies. Almost every constituency omwe Kasese si uti abakumya bali ahishe kwa mitwalo 9. And now when you get into other districts, you will find some districts about the mitwalo 5. About the mitwalo 4. About the mitwalo 6. But you don't know the constituencies ese uti mitwalo 11. For example, Bukonjo County West. Abakumi basane mitwalo 11. So what the national leadership of FDC did, mwabarenga holangerende obuli constituency Kasese bakabarayo almost nge bakabarayo nge district nuku agende ekiro kiwuma yasibo mu constituency inyanemu kanye nabandu mu constituency eyo. So this is one other reason eyerekiriwa abana Nandala Mafabi even from the initial stages esheri harmonizing a road map. It is not that he's coming back maybe because of any other thing. Chindo chere Kasese more than one day or one time. Chitsukire ahabakatukire road map baka harmonizing nayo. In fact, Kasese was given 3 days from day one. So Charles Sobulaga, like I have heard from my other colleagues from other parties, and maybe Aka Sobulaga, Amasangane mwebere wachendo no. Now to the Mafabi even in the initial stages, actually preparing a road map. Kasese Electoral Commission moba harmonizing abama hiria bero bengahe bero besatu population
honorable what was his message akakana ya atich for these 3 times omurundi okubanza munabwira ama nichiro cha kabiri ano Kasese a message yiwe yiri itich
obviously ngokuna samalire this is on record in the FDC ye matahiri manifesto kabi hambire kwa mundu economy erifikisingayo eyerihanga kutse ebingiriye yabanya Uganda eyabaratamangurwa ikatamangurwa ne regime eya Museveni amabize myaka 10. A message yatu wite yeyererengaho tukakangania itwemeberengo kwatu kindi eresona sonayi kutsere kokotiayo awabere bya musanje oyo erirebengo kutwa matasha sonawo nuko at the end of the day eshasende esikala basikabya siphoned omwamasa ho abaratamangukaria sikala omwabi alabya abantu abake ngatwa masa hamba truthi eriliba masa hwayo erilebeshe pipe shabere byasimwe byunesho shasonga abantu the 10 trillion esha auditor general akakangana yomwabole report almost yobole mwaka indisikiba waga na abantu abali connected to the first family na isi indini ya Museveni ngatwa mali batuteshe pipe esho nuku siasi omwamasa ho abantu abanene abahyobo musolo nuko Uganda yakasomwa byalabya abantu ba
honorable Wasinja abo akatukukawo kande nabasamaliri Mwasinja kutsibu onu are honorable Kabuku Ronald kandi niyo FDC chairperson abo Kasese district akwamena ninjemata Ishak umunyamakuru wawo hano Kasese kandi way to share and embere nerichako abandu omwatse